Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
Elsa Butterfly.
For the butterfly, I'm going to use these blue colors from Craze palette that I have with the sponge. Just going to do from purple to blue. Adriana, you ready?
Yes. Oh, it's rainbow.
Yeah, it's gonna be so pretty. Keep your eyes closed, please. And now let's do the other side. That's what we have right now. I'm going to use a Q-tip to clean it up. Here and here. I'm going to use this dark blue for the outline.
You know, do lipstick.
Yeah, we'll do lipstick at the end. Beautiful.
I see you.
All right, and this side. Close your eyes, honey. And then unclasp. So next I'm going to grab some white and a stencil here. Pretty. Let's grab some thin brush and some white. All right, and we can add some blink on the sides. Okay. Here. Here. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Maybe another blink here. Ooh, let's add some glitter. Yeah, let's add some glitter.
Pink glitter.
Blue, purple, and pink, right? All right, let's add on it cheeks.
But not in my hair.
No, in your hair, no. Okay, and how about lipstick?
Yes, yes, yes. This is not the end.
No, this is not the end. We're gonna add some lipstick. Blue lipstick to match our face painting. Say cheese, please. Cheese. So pretty. You like it? Do you like
Is
it?
this the end?
This is the end. What do you think? Do you like your Elsa Butterfly? If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
It's subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
What? What do you want to say? Want some more?
I think I like some.
Ah, it's okay.